Do you want to work at getting healthier hips, knees, feet and ankles, hands? Do you want to improve your balance and circulation all throughout your body? Well, I kind of know you do because you've been sending me DMs, commenting, and sending emails about these specific focus areas. So I want to help you out in the form of a monthly challenge. You know what that means? My February challenge starts right now. This month, we are focusing on exactly that. These vital, crucial areas that we need to keep healthy, which can drastically improve the quality of our life. Everything is interconnected. If we have weak hips, that might give us lower back pain. If we have dormant muscles in our legs, that could cause us knee pain. That could affect our standing and walking stamina. And of course, if we live a sedentary lifestyle, that could affect our circulation, which could impact our health overall. So this month, we're gonna improve those crucial areas. We got 6 amazing videos, and we'll be targeting a specific area in each video. We'll be working on our hips, our knees, our feet and ankles, our hands. We have a steps video, but we're gonna be focused on circulation throughout that whole routine, and of course, a balanced video to strengthen your stabilizer muscles. If there's a challenge that I want you to do, it's this one. It's so important for everyday life. The challenge is ready right now for members. If you're not a member yet, it's so simple to join. Just go directly to justinagustin.com, sign up right away, and you'll get access to the challenge, but also a whole bunch of videos including previous challenges and other courses that I've launched in the past. You'll also get access to the nutritional videos, including a nutrition guide, and hundreds of full-length routines that you see on my social medias, but this time they are in full length that you can follow along to at your own pace. Go to justinagustin.com, or you can tap the link in my bio and it'll send you directly there. And don't forget to download the Justin Agustin Fitness app using the same credentials. Let's do this. February is a shorter month, but it's still so crucial and important. You got this.